Are you a real estate agent or a real estate broker considering using Go High Level for your real estate business? This platform has hit the market and is redefining what a CRM is and what it should be for all industries in this all-in-one marketing platform. So if you're considering going through Go High Level directly, or maybe you're considering somebody that is offering a white label version that is already set up, which one should you choose? And that's exactly what we're going to go over in this video today. What are the key differences between going through high level directly or going through a white label version? So I'm going to show you this so you can choose the best option for your real estate business. So let's dive in. Hey everybody, it's me, Jacob Shireman, your real estate marketing expert. I have over 17 years of marketing experience specializing in web design and SEO, and I take that experience to help you grow your real estate business. So if you'd like to see more content like this, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I release new content. And if you'd like to get my training, resources, coaching, and courses for free at no extra cost or split to you, take a look at partnering with me inside the Agent Wolfpack at eXp Realty. And there's a link down below where you can book a one-on-one call to learn more and see what this would look like for your business. So let's dive into today's topic. All right, so today we're talking about Go High Level. I have done a video before where I've kind of went through the platform, and even since then, this platform has made so many updates, add so many new features that I need to redo that video again after several months. And that's what I love about this platform. You have a lot of CRMs and companies talk about all the things they need to implement. You put in an idea for this platform and they implement it. They have people vote on it and they'll prioritize it. But if we want it, they put it in, and I love it. And they usually roll out a basic version and then they make it better as time goes on. So at least you have that kind of basic setup that you were asking for. And that's what I really love about this platform. It is hitting the storm. So Go High Level, it's really high level. Their website is called gohighlevel.com. And it is an all-in-one CRM platform. So it's all centered around your CRM, but it's meant to control every aspect of your business. So you don't need another piece of software. On average, for any business, this is saving about $1,500 a month on all this disjointed software. And without redoing that video I did, basically, I know for real estate agents and for my business, you could save around $800 a month by having this software, and even more. If you're using kvCORE, which is now Bold Trail or Follow Up Boss, you could spend $450 plus and you don't even get half of what this platform offers. kvCORE is around $600 a month, or Bold Trail. So that is a lot for a solo agent. And if your brokerage is not giving you anything, and even if they do give you something and it's kind of rinky dink, doesn't have anything, this is so cost effective that you can get started for as little as $97 a month. And then the most expensive plan, because you're not a marketing agency, would be $297 a month if you went with Go High Level's standard platform without it being customized for your industry. Now, every white label person, and we'll talk about that, can charge whatever they want. This platform was built for agencies, marketing agencies, to basically resell this as SaaS software, to white label it so they can put their brand on it, and they had something that they could charge one flat fee and go make money and rebuild. But other companies are finding the need that they actually need multiple sub accounts for different users, that it made more sense to purchase it outright. And I'll give you examples later. Basically what this platform is, it is a CRM that is focused with other aspects of marketing. So I'll give you an example. So you have your CRM, you can track everything that your client does in that CRM. You can make custom fields, which something like kvCORE you cannot do. You can make custom fields, you can organize them in folders. You can see everything that that client does, every conversation, every email, every text message. Yes, you can text and call from this platform using that phone number, not redirecting it to your phone. You can also forward calls to your phone. Your team can use this all at once in this platform. You can track the conversation and then every activity, every page they went to on your website, every form they filled out. It's got task management. So you can assign a task to your company overall, to an agent or your VA or your transaction coordinator, but you can also attach a client to that task. So if you say, hey, I need you to do this for this client, or you want to set up a reoccurring task, like I want to follow up with this this person in 3 weeks. It'll remind you in 3 weeks to give this client a call. You can also invoice if there was a need for that through this platform. And on top of this, it has document management. So technically you could put in a PDF to have it signed. I still recommend using an actual credible DocuSign type company. But what we do is every time a client, whether it's real estate or a marketing company, signs a contract, we upload it into that. Now that document is attached. So all of your retention is done for you because you have every conversation, everything you have about that client in one place, and you don't need to worry about anything else. On top of that, there is an opportunities and pipeline. So you can create a custom pipeline and make automations when they get into a certain stage of that pipeline to follow up with text, send out a document. So much, their possibilities are endless. So, and then on top of that, there's also a conversations tab that allows you to track all conversations, whether it be a DM through social media, whether it be a text message, phone call, web chat. All of that is in one tab to show you conversations that have yet to be answered. So you never miss a conversation. And on top of that, there's AI integrated with this. You can train the AI bot to answer questions, especially on the web chat, and have it answer a few basic questions. You can control that. And then on top of that, you can have it redirect to schedule an appointment. So that way you're never missing a client interaction. If you have somebody that works the third shift and they're up at night and they want to schedule an appointment, they can do that easily talking to the AI chatbot. And then on top of that, there's a marketing tab. So it replaces not only your CRM, your AI chatbots. On top of it, you can also replace social media schedulers. So you don't need Buffer or Hootsuite or those costly social media schedulers that are about $60+ a month. You can put as many Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Google Business Profile, YouTube, Twitter. Well, Twitter, you can't do anymore because they have made everybody mad with their $40,000 a month API fee. But you can also do TikTok and YouTube videos and shorts, and you can manage and schedule that all in one platform. So it makes it super easy to stay on top of your social media, and you're not logging into another platform. On top of that, you no longer need Constant Contact or ActiveCampaign or MailChimp. It has its own email marketing platform built into it. You can create QR codes in there. It also has sites, so you can build websites in there, funnels in there. You know how important funnels are to me. And then on top of that, you can do custom online forms, as many as you want. So you don't need JotForm, you don't need ClickFunnels anymore. And then on top of that, you can also integrate IDX through a third-party platform, which we'll talk about later. And on top of that, you can do surveys. So there's so many things you can do, triggered links. Then there's an automations tab where you can do automation. So it replaces the need for things like Zapier. Now, depending on other platforms that you're using that are not connected to High Level has a lot of integrations already built in with lots of platforms, but you can do that too. And one other thing I forgot to mention in the marketing tab, you can control your Google Business Profile in there, reputation management, track your reviews, have AI automatically respond to reviews. And on top of that, there's a course builder platform in there, which I'm going to release some secrets later, but you could do courses for your clients instead of webinars. But there's also a webinar feature where you can do pre-recorded webinars and live webinars, and it automatically builds the funnel for you as well. You can create communities in there instead of relying on everybody to have access to Facebook, which nobody wants to use anymore. On top of that, you can have an online course community. There's an app. Everything can be integrated into this platform. There's really no need for additional platforms, and it's all built to streamline lead capture and lead nurture, converting them to clients. So that is Go High Level in an overview. And then I'm going to break down which versions should you go with. All right, let's talk about when you should actually purchase High Level directly through the Go High Level website versus using a white labeled version. So whatever situation, I always recommend that you use somebody's affiliate link. Ours is linked down below. One main reason is you will get a 30-day free trial with us versus the 14 that High Level offers. And on top of that, we provide extra resources. You get access to our online community where we help each other grow. On top of that, you get a one-on-one call with me to kick off the platform use to make sure that you're thinking and using it in the right direction. And then you can get some extra support each month. If you're trying to do something, we can help guide you in the right path. Now, that doesn't include setting the platform up for you. That's an extra fee. But if you're somebody like a broker owner, or maybe you have a real estate team, it's more cost effective for you to go through High Level yourself. Now, if you did go through somebody's white label version of High Level, if you get the permission, you can transfer it out or take the sub account and export the contacts and transfer that to your own. So there's no problem there. It's just, you got to be careful who you go with. Now, if you're somebody that needs full control of this platform and you need multiple sub accounts, so that means each agent has their own account, their own contacts, their own leads. It's not that you just assign them all in the greater pool of your lead. Highly recommend that platform, because you as an agency owner or broker owner can see everybody's account, everything that they're doing. So you're in control of your real estate business. So that'd be great for broker owners, teams. Now, if you're an individual agent, maybe you're considering growing in the future, or you're just somebody that doesn't trust other companies, you could pay for your own plan, the 97 or the 297. There's a few differences in those, but you can start out with those and then pay somebody like our company to customize that platform for you. And if you're somebody that maybe all the white label companies, you're finding that the price is pretty much equal to High Level, or maybe it's a little more, but you need it customized for you, it's cheaper in the long run to get the platform yourself and then pay a one-time fee to have it customized exactly to your preferences. So that's when you want to use that, but just make sure you compare affiliates and you're getting the better perks and industry knowledge. Remember, not every white label platform, not every affiliate is equal. One thing I pride myself on is not only have I been marketing as my main career, but I've been in real estate for over 4 years. I manage a team of 60 agents. On top of that, I coach agents and have helped thousands of agents with their real estate business. I understand what a real estate agent needs and how to apply that in the marketing world, versus some of these people are agents who turn marketing and they don't really have all of the marketing thing to be able to not create a cookie cutter product. So do your research, but this is when you would want to go through High Level directly. And again, if you want a free trial and not a 14-day trial, but a 30, click the link down below. All right, let's talk about when you would want to go with a white label version of High Level. So you might be like, Jacob, how will I know it's a white label version of High Level? We're very upfront with it. Our High Five Connect platform that we have recently launched is a white label version of High Level. I don't want somebody finding down the road that I, tricked them or whatever. There's a reason why you go with a white label company versus just going directly, and we're going to explain that. So one, it saves time. You're not having to learn the platform. Yes, you do need to learn how to use it, which we help with and we have onboarding for. However, if you're going with this on your own and you're not paying somebody, you're going to spend months and months and months trying to figure out this platform. And even if you're techie, somebody like me, it took me a good 8 months to really get the hang of this platform and how to use it across my entire, 3 or 4 businesses that I have been using it for. So this will save you time with setup, because it's going to be pre-built and customized for your industry. It's already going to have the calendars and the forms and the website. You just have to go change the data and things to match your business, which is super easy. And then on top of that, like I said, it's an industry specific setup. It's already done for you, because High Level is generic, so it can be tailored to any industry across the board. It's not just a real estate CRM. It is meant for every industry and for agency owners to customize that for the people that they're selling it to. So you get that extra benefit as well. And it's a lower cost initially. You're not having to pay, $5,000. Not saying that's what we charge, but depending on what you need, it can get costly quite quickly. And it's also costing you that time. That time equals money. So you're going to be losing people. You might lose some leads. So overall, it's going to be a lower initial cost. We don't charge any setup fees unless you need it to be customized beyond what we provide as well. You're getting faster onboarding. You get faster support. You're not having to wait in line for High Level. We're going to guide you on what you're trying to do. And we have an industry knowledge of what you're trying to accomplish versus the people that they have that are just know how to use the platform, but not really how to customize it for your industry. And this is better for individual agents and smaller teams. So highly recommend that you start with this. What we do in our company with High Five Connect is that if you want to take this to your own platform, we do not hold this. We will export the snapshot. We will export your contacts. We will port your phone number out to your own account, and you can do it under our affiliate link, so you can still get that support as well. So we don't gatekeep. We literally let you do what you want, because we need you to be happy and want your business to grow. So if you have any questions about what I went over, let me know. I know this is confusing, and whether you should use this versus what your brokerage provides. If you have questions, I'm going to answer those honestly. I am not your typical salesperson. I want you to have the right tool for your business because that will be better retention for us. So if you have any questions, drop those down in the comments below. If you'd like to schedule a one-on-one call with me, do a marketing consultation link down below. And again, if you want to get high level your own platform, there's also a link down below where you can get a 30-day free trial. And then on top of that, if you want our platform, I will send a link down below for you to sign up. Or if you want to talk before, go ahead and schedule that consultation. Also, if you would like to partner with me at eXp Realty, there's also a link down below where you can bring yourself over, your team over, or your brokerage over and get free resources like this to grow your real estate business. And again, if you want to keep seeing content like this, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next video.